Are you overwhelmed by all the things outside your control in a project? Stop stressing. Let's make sense of EEFs and use them to your advantage. Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, and today we're diving into EEFs, those environmental factors that can make or break your project. Whether you're prepping for your PMP exam or just want to level up your PM skills, this is for you. So what are EEFs? Think of them as all the conditions inside and outside your organization that affect how you plan, execute, and control a project. The catch? You usually can't change them. There are two main types: internal EEFs, like your company's culture, available resources, and IT systems, and external EEFs, things like government rules, market trends, or the economy. Why should you care? Because EEFs influence everything from how your team communicates, to the tools you use, to your project timeline. And don't mix up EEFs with OPAs. EEFs are mostly out of your hands. OPAs, like templates and best practices, are things you can actually use and adapt. Bottom line, EEFs are everywhere. Understanding them is key to planning smarter and delivering better. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I'm Pankaj Sharma. See you in the next one.